The new Galaxy Z Fold 4 pops up on Amazon showing off a new S Pen case. And Android 12 leaders taskbar. We're a little over a week away from the debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and the leaks continue to flow this week. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 popped up on Amazon to show off its new design case and a software enhancement to a channel on Telegram spotted a Galaxy Z Fold 4 listing on Amazon the Netherlands, which shows off the device in official images in its beige colorway. While there's nothing obvious to learn here when it comes to pricing, Samsung's own images give us a clear picture of three key changes. First and foremost, we get measurements that show off the new aspect ratio of the Fold 4. As expected, the outer display is now wider with a 6.2 inches 23.1 by 9 display. For comparison, Fold 3 had the same size at 6.2 inches. But with a much narrower 25 by 9 display. The inner display also moves to a wider 21.6 by 18 aspect ratio on the same 7.6 inches size. The Fold 3 had a 5 by 4 aspect ratio. It also appears that Samsung has slimmed down the hinge and bezel along the left side of the outer display. Two other images on the listing also show a new software tweak that Samsung is bringing to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, a bottom-mounted taskbar that looks a lot like the one in Android 12 leaders. Google introduced a taskbar in Android 12 leaders that appears on large screen devices and can host a handful of apps for quick switching and easy multitasking. While it's unclear Samsung is adopting exactly the feature, it certainly appears that is the case based on these images. And finally, there's a quick look at a new S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung shows the full edition S Pen alongside the Fold 4 in multiple images, one of which shows that the design of the stylus appears mostly unchanged. The other image shows a new S Pen case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in a greenish-gray color that appears to match the phone within. The stylus also matches the color. That's certainly notable, as black was the only option for last year's S Pen. The case also has some sort of line alongside the S Pen, but it's not immediately obvious what purpose that serves. Regardless, we're just glad to see Samsung is moving on from last year's terrible design. To recall, both the Galaxy Z Fold 4 the Z Flip 4 are expected to look similar to their predecessors and come with spec sheet improvements to include the Snapdragon 810 Plus, improved cameras, bigger batteries, and more. The Galaxy Watch 5 series is also said to share resemblance with the Galaxy Watch 4 series, except for a few changes. The smartwatches are also expected to come with a body temperature sensor, which is a highly anticipated feature for the upcoming Apple Watch Series A2. It remains to be seen how these new Galaxy products turn out. We shall get all the details on August 10th. So stay tuned to the channel for more updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out, you.